Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you love warm beverages that are made with homemade spices, or if you know someone that does, you have to have them check out this gorgeous gift set from the Cooking Gift Set Company. This gift set comes in a beautiful box and it includes all of the spices that you will need to make mulled wine, homemade hot cider, or any other kind of warm beverage that you wish. I really appreciated that it came with 4 recipes. When I visited Europe some time ago, I had mulled wine during the winter season, and it was absolutely so delicious. I actually crave it all the time. This set brought back all the memories of being able to have that beverage. In addition to the really fragrant and fresh smelling spices, they also included a personal grater for the nutmeg that it comes with. Believe me, once you smell this, you will never want ground nutmeg from a jar again. They also included the mesh bag that you'll need to be able to make your recipes and a ladle. So it's really easy to scoop those beverages out and place them in a glass for your company. Whether you want this set for yourself and for some nostalgic memories, or maybe you want to give it as a gift, this would make a beautiful gift for yourself or someone else so that they can make all of these yummy drinks from home. But that's just my point of view.